of the total estimate of tax expenditure, which is a large erosion of the VAT tax base. Mr. Speaker, tax expenditure creates avenues for revenue leakage and thus denying government the revenue to support key priorities that benefit majority of Kenyans, of the citizens in Kenya. Recognizing the importance of tax expenditure in the promotion of investment and addressing welfare challenges in the economy, and in line with the medium-term revenue strategy, I propose to rationalize the VAT tax expenditure as provided for in the VAT Act in form of exemptions and zero rating based on the following criteria. First, that goods currently exempt be subjected to VAT. Second, zero-rated finished goods and consumer goods and services be exempt from VAT. Third, zero rating be restricted to goods and taxable services meant for export. Based on the above, Mr. Speaker, based on the above criteria, Mr. Speaker, I have proposed several amendments to the first schedule of the VAT Act in order to move some goods and services from exempt to VAT. I have also proposed amendments to the second schedule of the VAT Act so that we can move some of the goods and services from zero rating to either exempt status or VATable. This rationalization is expected to expand the VAT tax base and create fairness in taxation. Let me turn now to amendments in the Excise Duty Act. Mr. Speaker, the tax measures I have proposed under excise duty, I propose to change as follows.